What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab when I hit and smash around. Bang, people, you already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, you see what we are dealing with today, man. Yeah, man, guys, y'all should know it's summertime. You see me? Summertime. And if you're a fan of dancehall, if you're a fan of reggae music, if you're Jamaican, if you're from the Caribbean, you should know what that means, man. Yeah, man, you don't know what time it is. You saw it from this title, man. You feel me? You know, I don't know, it's a Sumfest time. You see me? I don't know, only the best of the best dancehall and reggae artists get invited to Sumfest. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know that, man, until we are going to check out some artists that we react to regularly on the channel that has been booked for Sumfest. You see me? See what they do and check out their performance and see who killed and locked the show, man. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be the first video of this series, guys, so definitely let me know if you want to see more of this series. Okay, we definitely react to the rest of the artists we love, such as Massacre, Valiant, Mali, Pablo. You know what I'm saying? We react to all of the artists that we like over here. You know what I'm saying? So let me know if you want to see more of this series and we check it out. But yeah, man, today we are coming with a Sumfest reaction. You see me? And this artist, man, come on, man. This artist is no stranger to the channel at all. I'm responsible for enough artists that will listen to biggest hits such as Skilly Benz, Bin Laden, Bloodcleat, Valiant, Goozlebongs, Bloodcleat, Skeng, damn. Well, Skeng and that collab name, man. Damn, I forgot the name. But yeah, man, you realize this artist, bro, a lot of artists look up to in the game. He's an OG in the game. I'm talking none other than Uncle Demon himself. You know, the Spartan boss. None other than Tamale Sparta. You see me? I say, yeah, man, Tamale performed last night at Reggae Sumfest. You see me? So go check out his first performance. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be part 1 of 6. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to check out and see how he did at the beginning of the performance. You know what I'm saying? But it should be dope. Tamale is a great artist, great performer. So I'm expecting nothing less from him. You see me? I say. So we're not going to hold the vibe much longer, you know, that mafia. You see me? We're going to check out and see what dog deal with panning performance. You see me? So we're going to jump right in. This is Tamale Reggae Sumfest 2023 performance. This is part 1. Let's get it.
Give me back the energy! Don't drop the energy, oh no! Give me the energy! Rub, energy. Rough good! Give me a truck! Nobody there from my beer!
Want to see every phone, every lighter.
Spartan boss are forward out! Nah, Tony had that cheek, alright, for shot and lean them up, arm to them. Go in. Spartan boss, come in.
What a concert, what a show. Take it, Spartan. I tell you, man, 1 week, you know how it is. Come back to me.
Easy now. I wish nigga easy. Yeah, man, that come with the right vibe. Come in, man. Dog, I roll out with the energy, man. You see me, the energy and the vibes. Family, come in. Catch it cold, Meji. Come in.
Hey, baby, come on, your ball train, Casablanca.
Oh.
One more time, come on, your ball train, Casablanca.
These are the white people about to blood. About stay in Blanca, you mean some festival, big international music festival. Hey.
I'm not saying I love. You know I don't play with people. I don't know what they are, no people. Let me see if you're not. Let me hear flatter. Let me hear
We time. Got a link on the chain. Yeah, remember when them tuna dropping, them tuna was a hit song. I have the place everywhere, you know, going crazy. Yeah, man, big man thing. Cause I did that. Hey, up to them man, Sparta, play the Sparta Kingdom, man.
Sparta! Sparta!
Yeah. Yeah.
You feel like Missy about 10 of them dogs.
Oh, I did it, man.
Boy, they not
Up to them boy dead when them song of the Japanese dog. You see me? See both ten of them dog. Yo.
privacy. Me bust boy make every.
You see.
Let me hear about Violent versus Sinati. Me know say they killing them shabby. But I see the RPG where you sing Bob and me give you good money. Yo, Dinasti, Alkaline. Well, I know.
Man said the RPG where you sing about Papi if you couldn't manage better.
Oh, here, look at the gully and serve a two man of me father. Yo, big 4-4 in the corner, me and lucky left Alkaline.
Sappy. Yo, easy. Why you man call out that Sumfest? They boy call out
Here's
war
something you don't see every day.
Yeah, but say left Alkaline face happy. Man now brawling. Man I call out this name. Man now play with them. Easy Spartan boss. Tuno guys. Yo guys, that was part 1 of Tommy Lee performance at Sumfest. Let me know if you want to see the rest of his performance. He did a really good job, man. Sumfest this year was really dope, man. You know, the energy and vibe and everything was there, man. So yeah, man, big up Sumfest, big up Tommy Lee. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you want to see more the rest of Tommy Lee performance and the rest of the artists such as Massacre, Najeri, Pablo, yeah man, any artist, Valiant. Any artist I will listen to on the channel. If you want to see more of the Sumfest performance, let me know in the comment section. I'll get it done for you guys. I don't know. Sumfest was a vibe. Everything was a vibe. You know, the energy and everything mad, guys. So let me know if you want to see more. Yeah, man. Drop in the comment section, guys. You don't know. Yeah, man. Sumfest, every artist doing them thing. We like that. Love that. So let me know. You see me? Till next time, guys. I don't know. It's boy Jambisco here. Now he's just smashing out. Banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.